11th of May, 2024, and Dottie and I are going for a walk. Another beautiful day. It's still pretty much in the 70s and low 80s, and it looks like next week we're going to creep up into the 90s, and then coming into May, we'll start flirting with triple digits. But I'll only be here for about 10 days in May because I am going to be headed to New Mexico. I'm pretty excited about that. First place I'm going is Story Lake State Park, and that's outside Las Vegas, which is always funny to say because here in Pahrump, I'm less than an hour from Las Vegas, and then there's Las Vegas, New Mexico, which is where Story Lake State Park is. I'll be there for 2 weeks, and after that, I move up to a little bit north and up in elevation to Coyote Creek State Park. And that's the one I'm really looking forward to because I was there last year, and I loved the park, but they had the majority of the electric sites sort of packed together all right next to each other. And when I went exploring the park, I saw an electric site that was off by itself overlooking a gorgeous meadow, no neighbors. It was perfect. So right at the 6-month mark, I reserved that particular site. And I'm excited that I have it for 2 weeks at Coyote Creek. I love the area. I don't have reservations after that because the next couple of campgrounds I'm going to go to, I don't need reservations. There's Eagle Nest State Park, which is right on the lake there in Eagle Nest. And then about 7 miles from there is Cimarron State Park. And I might, if I can, if there's room, I'm going to bounce back and forth between the two of those, and that should cover probably the next 6 weeks, which, let me think about it, that'll bring me into maybe the end of August, and I may bounce back a couple more times and head back to Pahrump in September, maybe mid-September, late September. We'll see. It doesn't matter. That's one of the wonderful things about this lifestyle is I can change my mind about where I'm going, where I'm going to be at any time. So it's pretty amazing. So that's what's up today on our walk, Dottie and I, and it'll be a short one today. Again, thanks for watching my videos. I love it when you do, and I'm grateful. Take care.